Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Osai. Today I'll be showing you how I make my carrot oil. If you want to know, stay tuned and don't go nowhere.
Three, two, one, zero.
Uno, dos, tres, cuatro.
So first thing you'll be needing for you to achieve your carrot oil, you'll be needing carrots, fresh carrots. But before doing anything with the carrot, you just want to make sure you wash it thoroughly and make sure it's very clean. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm trying to wash the carrot and make sure it's all clean and ready to use. After washing, I'm just going to go ahead and use my tissue to clean off all the water on it. So after washing and drying all these carrots with your tissue, you just want to take your grater and then grate it. So at this point, I'm using stainless steel grater. You can use any kind of grater of your choice, in as much it's going to grate the carrot so well and smooth. So guys, in case you're wondering what carrot oil is used for, carrot oil is used for the skin because it protects the skin from ultraviolet ray and has strong anti-aging properties due to its content inside. It has vitamin A, C, and E. So and also it's brightening up the skin. It brightens the skin here. If you have stretch mark, if you have this dark knuckle, it also helps in reducing them. Not even reducing them, it takes them away with time. So you don't just use carrot oil for once and then expect quick results. You use them constantly. So it helps, it really helps the skin. So at this point, I finished grating the carrots. This is how it's looking like. So I'm just going to transfer some part of the carrots inside the plate the same way you're seeing. So after doing that, I'm just going to take my granite oil and then put on the carrots. Just make sure when you're putting the carrot and the coconut oil on the carrots, make sure it covers the whole of the carrot. So here I ran out of coconut. So I'm just going to take the remaining, the one I'm having on the other bottle, to mix it. So after putting the coconut oil, I use my spoon to stir it just to make sure the coconut oil is all over the carrot. So after doing that, I discovered I needed some coconut oil. So I went ahead to put more coconut oil to the carrot. Like I said, you want to make sure the coconut oil covers the whole of the carrot. That way it's better. So yeah, this is how it's looking like. So presently what we are having here is coconut oil and carrots. So I'm just gonna put it on fire the same way you're seeing it. Right now my pot is already on fire and I have water, boiled water inside. So I'm just gonna put it inside the pot. But you want to make sure the fire is on lower, it's not too much. So after doing that, I'm just gonna cover it, but I'm not covering the whole of the pot. I'm not covering the whole of the pot. And then when I cover it, like half of the pot, and then I'm just going to leave it for to stay for about 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah, so you see me stirring it just to be sure if it's ready or not. As you can see, the oil is changed, it has changed color. So at this point it's okay. I'm just going to off the light, that's the fire, and then allow the water to sit and get cold before I take out the plate out from the pot. So right now I'm done taking it out from the pot. I'm just going to I have my strainer with me. I'm just going to take the oil out from the carrots, and yeah, we are good to go. make sure it stays for about 10 to 15 minutes. That way all the oil comes up and then the water goes down. You'll see it. You're gonna be seeing three layers on the container. Yeah, so after that you take out the oil. You need just the oil. Guys, like I said, this carrot oil, it's good for the skin. Like, it's perfect for the skin, any kind of skin. If you're light in complexion or you're dark in complexion, yes, you can also use it. You can use it because it brightens the skin. It does not give the skin bad color. It brightens the skin normally, the way you should glow. Yeah, it brightens it. And if you're having dry skin, yes, this is also good for you. It helps the skin. If you have stretch mark, yes, you can also use it. You can mix it with your body lotion, or you can apply it like this directly on your skin. Yeah, so guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you've tried carrot oil, let me know. And if you have any question concerning this or any other thing, yes, you can also tell me. And then I'll be so happy to show you guys or to make tutorial on it. So guys, thank you. Like I said, stay blessed. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like the video, and also drop a comment. Thank you so much and remain blessed. Bye guys.